Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to change your Apple, your iPad mock location using a app called TVU Tools. This software will change your phone totally. Everything about your phone, the time zone, the date, everything is going to be changed to that particular country, the state, the address which you wish to change it to. So first, what you need is your iPhone and your cord, your Apple cable, and your laptop. So right now I'm using a MacBook. As you can see, I'm using a MacBook Pro, and this software is not working on Mac. There's no Mac version for the software. So the best thing to do, if you are using a MacBook device, you have to install the Windows operating system, Windows 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So right now I'm using Windows 11. You can see I'm using Windows 11. Though the Windows 11 currently it has a issue, screen resolution issue. So the full screen will not be displaying. Sometimes when you open an app, you can only see half of the app and so on. So first thing you're gonna do now is to visit the site tvu.com. I will include this site in the description. So once you visit the site, as you can see, tvu.com, you go straight to download. You can see TVU Tools all-in-one tools for iOS. You go straight to download. I already have this app downloaded, so all you need to do is to download it and install it. The last updated version was on 19th of January 2022, and app size, the software size is 101.72 megabytes. So I already have this app downloaded. All you need to do now, I need to open the app. But if I should open the app, it will display something else like the screen revolution. So you open the app. See, I'm opening it. You need to open it after installing. You see, first thing it said, connect your iDevice to PC using USB cable. I already told you what you need is your Apple phone, which you want to change the location, and your USB cable. Then after you unlock the Apple device, you need to trust it. So now I've been using this device before with this software, so it will ask me to trust. So for the first time, it will ask you to tap on trust. Immediately you insert the cable inside your iPhone, then it will ask you to trust the device. Just right now I'm doing mine. So I just inputted it, so let's see what will come up. Okay, now my iPhone is connected to this Windows already, so I need to not prompt. It said iDevice connected. It's asking if the USB cord is damaged or so. So you need to click prompt. Okay, then now this is the page. Immediately you input the code into your iPhone, then you trust the device. Immediately you input the code into your iPhone, a message will come up in your iPhone. It will tell you to trust the device. It will tell you to click trust or do not trust the device to be sure if you are the one doing it. Okay, so you can see right here my battery life is 97. I'm so sorry, like I said, this operating system has a screen revolution issue. Everything about your phone will be showed here. From here you can do anything. Jailbreak also, you can see my iPhone is not jailbreak activated. Yes, you can see everything, warranty date and everything, Apple ID lock, everything, fast charging, everything you can see. So what we're gonna do now, since this app is not displaying the full screen I need, since the Windows operating system is not displaying the full, you can see my phone. and so, like see everything. This so since it's not displaying the full uh, screen revolution, so I just visited the site and opened one of the images. So when it's open like this, when it's showed like this, all this will be at the top. All these are also there at the top, but it's not showing because of the screen size. So once it's open, after your device is connected like this, you just go straight to the up. You click Toolbox. You can see, you select Toolbox. Then once you click Toolbox, this page will open. You see, this page will open. I'm using shortcuts because the operating system has a screen revolution issue, which I've already explained. So all you need to, you can see many options, many to do many stuffs. But what we do here today is just to change the mock location of this phone. So before we do, you can see first thing you need to do is to click the visual location. You just check here in your own window, in your own operating system. This visual location may be at the down, it may be anywhere, maybe at the time you'll be watching this video, they might have another version, another update. So you just look for where there is visual location, this logo, you can see, then you tap on it, it's gonna open this page. This page will come up. This is the place, this is a map. This is the place you will type the address or the city, the state you want to change your location to. Then after typing, the longitude and the latitude will come up here. So meanwhile, before we do this, I want to show you my phone time, and you can see right now the time in my phone is 3:41, and I'm turning off my VPN. I want to turn off my VPN. Here's the VPN. Okay, I want to turn on my VPN. I'm using my VPN is set to USA. So, and you can see, let's check my location right away. If you should see my location here, you see my location is presently in Ukraine. Okay, Ukraine. Let's refresh it so you can see it again. You go to browser. I want to check the location through the Google Chrome. You can see my location is in Ukraine. Let me update it so you can see Ukraine. My location is in Ukraine. You can see. So now let's change it to Philippines. So now you will see the time, everything will change to Philippine time. Philippine. Let me use a Philippine, Manila. Manila, you can see. I type in Manila here in this search, then you tap on search, then you select. I'm using Manila, Philippine. You can see. So you select, you can see. You double tap on this. Okay, just tap it once. Once you type on this, for the latitude and the rest to show here, you need to, once you type this and you select the address, then you still need to click on this. Once you click on this map logo, this Google map logo, you tap on it once. Immediately you tap on it, this details will show the address, Manila City Jail and others. Then once you want to change it, you click modify. Then after changing, if you want to restore it, you click here, restore true location. Make sure the device is connected. You come back, you click restore true location. Then now we want to change the location to Manila. From Ukraine, my device is in Ukraine. We want to change it to Manila. So let's go. Modify. Yes, it's done. Now you can see, yeah, it's still in Ukraine. It's still in what is it called? My time is still in 3:44. So let me eject the USB. Now I've rejected the USB. Let's refresh the page. Okay, let me refresh the page. The page has been refreshed. Then let me update the location. Sorry. Let me update the location. Let's see. You can see the location has been changed to Philippines. Any country, you can see it has been changed to Philippines. Okay. Then the time did not change. Sometimes you may be low if you are using iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone S, Arrow, iPhone S, SS Max, iPhone 11. Automatically, immediately we change the location. Immediately we modify it here. The time will change. The time zone will change. But if it happen, your own does not change like my own, just go to your setting. Just go to your setting. Go to your setting. You go to general. You go to time and date. You can see my time zone is in automatic. I do not set it. So just off it. You just turn it off. If you turn it off, it will be in the one I set there. But for it to be automatic, you turn on the automatic time zone. You see it will change to Philippines. It's going to change to Philippines. It's still rolling, still loading. So you can see it has changed to Manila, Philippines. The time zone will change to Manila, Philippines. I think I have a network signal issue. The time zone will change to Manila, Philippines. You can see that. You can see. Let's check the time in Manila. 10. The time we can see here. Okay, the time here is oh God. I think there's an issue with my device. It's just for you to turn it off and turn it on. The time zone will be there permanent. You can see the time in Manila. The time in Manila is 10:46. Let's check Google. Time in Manila. Time in Manila. You can see 10:46, which is same here. I do not type Manila. I do not type anything. So the time is working with the Google. Even if we should go to Google Map. Let's check Google Map on this device. Map. Google Map. Anything you do, any app you install, everything, you can see the map location, everything has been changed to Philippines, has been changed to Manila. Everything automatically. Any app you installed, anything. If you are using Facebook dating, your Facebook dating will be changed, will be set. Immediately you refresh the dating app, it will be changed to the particular country, the particular state, the particular city, the province which you imputed. So guys, I think if you have any question, you can comment. I will reply all comments. Okay, so I will include a link to this software right in the description. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and in my next tutorial there is an alternative app we can use. If you are using a MacBook, there's an alternative app we can use working like this. In my next YouTube channel, I will be working on that. So that is it. So do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.